Hello, welcome to Furious Driving, and I have exciting event and competition news for you today. All of this year, and in fact last year, I've been wanting to do some kind of social gathering, a meetup, as a lot of other YouTube channels do, but I've never had the opportunity to make that work just yet. However, this November we have the biggest of the big in terms of getting together and meeting people, because Furious Driving will be at the NEC Classic car show in Birmingham from the 12th to the 14th of November. Me and one of these cars, well, not these ones, they don't go anywhere, will be on a stand with two other YouTubers. Ian Seabrook from Hubnut, you already know, will be there. Ian Seabrook from Hubnut, you may already know, is going to be there on the stand with me, bringing at least one of his cars, and one other who's soon to be announced will be as well. And each of us will have a car there, so you can have a nose around the cars of the internet that you've seen so many times on screen. I'm going to go climb into one of those right now because it's really chilly out here. Oh, that's nicer out the wind. So the NEC Classic runs from Friday the 12th to Sunday the 14th of November, and as I say, it's at the NEC. The clue is very much in the name there. Now, the NEC Classic is one of the biggest indoor classic car shows in Britain, Europe, possibly the world. It is absolutely massive, and it's one of those shows you need to set aside at least a day. And it's one of those shows where you need to be setting aside more than a day to see the entire thing. I think there are 5 halls this year of just packed full of every kind of classic and retro trade stands, auto jumble, you name it, it's going to be there. And someone can come along and meet us for free, because we have a competition as well to win a pair of tickets to the show. So keep watching, because I'll come to that in a moment. First of all, let's take a look at the last time I went, which I think was 2 years ago, and it was absolutely vast. Here's a quick walk around what we saw. Now, I haven't decided which car I'm going to take. Currently in my thinking, it's a toss-up between this Alfa 145 and Veyford, the Volvo 740 GL. If I take this one, it'll be the only one in the show, I'm pretty sure, but the Volvo seems astonishingly popular, and I don't know if any other 740s are going either. The reason I've narrowed it down to these two cars to take is A, they both work, B, they're a little bit unusual and less common on the roads, and C, they've both got decent sized boots, because I'm going to be bringing merchandise with me. As you may well know, I don't generally keep merchandise in stock. I tend to ship everything from Redbubble, apart from the hats, which I will be bringing. However, for the first time, I will be printing mugs, printing t-shirts, and bringing all that with me. Keep an eye on social media, Twitter, Facebook, maybe even Instagram, definitely the community page here on YouTube, and I'll give you a list of things I'm likely to be bringing. Because I'm new to this, I can't bring absolutely everything, but I'll try and bring the core t-shirt, stickers, definitely these hats. But if you want to pre-order specific things in specific sizes or colours, there'll be stuff on social media beforehand to give you a chance to do that, so I can bring it with you and save you on the postage charges. So you can grab yourself a hat in blue, grey, yellow, black, and of course Furious Driving, Broken Rovers t-shirts, and many other stickers and that kind of thing. So if you want to come and say hello to me, Ian, and one other mystery person, then make sure you're free on the 12th to the 14th of November and head on up to Birmingham. If you'd like to find out on the day what I brought with me, you'll need to be at the NEC between the 12th and the 14th of November. That's Friday through Sunday. It's easy to get to on the motorway, but even easier on the train, because parking isn't the cheapest and the queues getting in and out can be quite big. And don't forget to pack your walking boots, because with 5 halls, there is, well, at least a day's worth of sightseeing. I always say every year, going for a single day is nowhere near enough. You need to be going probably for 2, maybe even 3 days to see absolutely everything. So in the past, I have been up there for 2 days just to get a good look at literally everything in every hall and still missed stuff. It's that big. So tickets are available for single days, and I think there's a weekend ticket you can get as well. Check out their website and you can probably find out. However, if you'd like to come and say hello for free, we have a competition to get free entry for you and a friend. Doesn't even need to be a friend, could be someone you hate and just owe a favour to. If you send an email with the headline competition to the email address shop@furiousdriving.co.uk and answer the question, what is the latest broken car I brought home, I will be doing a draw on the 1st of November. So get your emails in there before the 1st of November. In the body of the email, write your name, your email address and a phone number, and we'll make the draw on the 1st of November, and you'll be getting emailed tickets for you and a friend to come up to the NEC. So I am very, very, very excited about this, obviously. Now, obviously things are subject to change, but currently the floor plan has us on the link between halls 4 and 5, so a busy location with hopefully lots of passing foot traffic to come and spot us and say hello. But if you want to come and find us, that is where we should be. Come and say hello to me, come and say hello to Ian and our mystery one other person. In all the time I've had this YouTube channel, I've never done a stand with me and the cars on it. I've met people at shows because I've been walking around filming, but I've never done an actual stand. So this is quite daunting, and a little bit nerve-wracking, but I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun. And I'm looking forward to meeting as many of you as I can during the 3 days we're up there. It's going to be a busy weekend, but I'm very much looking forward to it, and I hope whatever car I bring, probably the Volvo, I hope you enjoy looking at that as well. But keep an eye out on the community page, Twitter, Facebook, and any other announcements regarding the show. They'll be on there. So yeah, I'll look forward to seeing you then. So get your competition entry and keep an eye on the social media, and I'll see you on the 12th.